Hi everyone, I am Azizullah Muradi from MCCS Consultancy and Coaching YouTube channel. You are watching this video on how to remove the video pause interruption on Google Chrome that says video paused, continue watching. This is something very annoying. Let's get rid of it. Stay with me until the end of this video and learn how to solve the issue easily on the Google Chrome browser. You might have asked the below questions from yourselves. Okay, let's learn how to solve this issue while you are watching videos on Google Chrome, and let me show you an effortless way to solve this problem forever. Search for the Google Chrome's extension called YouTube Nonstop Extension and then install an add to Google Chrome. Then you will never see the notification of video paused, continue watching. How to install and add the YouTube Nonstop extension and how it looks like. Keep watching this video and learn it. Okay, let's get it started. First we click on yes. Next we are gonna download and install the YouTube Nonstop extension. On the Google Chrome search engine, write YouTube Nonstop. You see here it is written YouTube Nonstop Google Chrome. Click on this. YouTube Nonstop, add to Chrome, add extension. YouTube Nonstop has been added to Chrome. It is all done. To make sure if we have installed the YouTube Nonstop extension to our Google Chrome, on the right up corner, click on three dots, go to setting, click on extension and find out the YouTube Nonstop extension. You see it is here. You can enable and disable it. You can disable it if you don't want to have it. When you need it, you can enable it. Okay guys, good luck, have a nice day.